Okay, this balancing rule we will use mostly in the multiplications, not in the additions. Suppose you are multiplying any number with 11. How you will be doing that? 23 here, 23 here. So you will be adding it like this, right? 2135 like this. So in between you are adding the two digits. Similarly here also in balancing rule, n digits you should write like that only, and in between you should add the middle digits. 5 and 6 how much?
5 and 6 is 11.
11. 1 is carried over and write the 1 here. Next again two digits you need to add. 5 and 2 plus 1 is 3. 5 and 3 how much?
5 and 3 is 8.
8. Again you need to add the middle digits. 8 and 1 8 and 1 how much? Look at the screen.
9.
9. Next 5 and 4.
5 and 4 is 9 again.
Next 6 and 5.
6 and 5 is 11.
Okay, 1 is carried over here. So 2 plus 1 becomes 3. 5 and 3.
5 and 3 is 8.
8. Write the 4 like that only. Here also we are writing the n numbers like that only, adding the middle digits. So we will be using this balancing rule in multiplications mostly. I will explain one more problem so that you get clarity. Okay. First add the last digits like that only. Next 6 and 5.
6
And
and 5 is 11.
so 1 is carried over to the next place. Next 1. 3 and 1 is 4. 1 and 4 is
5.
next 6 and 2.
6 and 2 is 8.
Next 6 and 5.
11.
So 1 is carried over. Write the 1 here. Next again add two digits. 5 and 5 plus 1 is 6. 5 and 6.
5 and 6 equals 11.
11. 1 is carried over to the next place here. 2 and 1. 3. 8 plus 3.
8 plus 3 equals 11.
Yes. Now 5 and 1 is 6. Okay. This is the answer.
Okay.
Like this you need to do the balancing rule or carryover rule in page number 30, day 13.